Hi, I'm a personal trainer here at Mashoof, and today I'm going to show you how to use the leg press machine. Okay, so the leg press is going to target your legs, and mainly your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. And in order to change the weight, you can add weight onto the thing. And to make it lighter, just take the weight off. Change the seats however you want to change it. Me personally, I like it more like that at the bottom. You're going to get onto the machine. Make sure your hips and back are on the machine at all times. And you're going to push your feet on the platform. Push off. And make sure you turn the orange handles inwards. All right. And now you can go down here, and push back up. All right. And once you're done with the machine, just bring the handles back out to lock it and lower it down slowly. For different foot placements, you can put your feet lower and more narrow for more quad bias, or you can put your feet higher for more hamstring and glute focus, like up here. Thank you for listening, and have a good workout. Bye.